Hi guys, welcome back to YouTube channel Chemistry Live UGPG. So today we are going to talk about preparation of solution of a different molarity or normality. So this will be highly beneficial for BSc Chemistry students under CBCS syllabus. So I have a simple message for you guys. Please think for innovation, be creative, learn everywhere, anytime and help to learn others. So there is a disclaimer for this experiment. In this experiment, approximate data are used to give a flavor about the real experiment, calculation part and conclusion and better understanding about the experiment to the students. So if you carry out the real experiment, you will get your original data for your experiment and it may happen that the result may vary from person to person. So the aim of the experiment is preparation of solutions of a different molarity or normality. So what are the apparatus required? Conical flask, 50 ml graduated cylinder, wash bottle, beaker, funnel, glass rod, weighing machine. So this is the theory behind this experiment. So normality, that is N, that is number of gram equivalent mass of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. So usually the normality capital N is defined as the number of gram equivalent mass of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. Similarly, molarity, the capital M, that is number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liters. So molarity, capital M, is defined as the number of moles of solute dissolved per 1 liter of solution. So usually these are the apparatus used in the experiment. So conical flask, beaker, volumetric flask, measuring cylinder, wash bottle, weighing machine and funnel. So first experiment, let's prepare 250 ml of 0.1 normal sodium carbonate solution. So what are the chemicals required? Sodium carbonate and distilled water. So we know normality equal to number of gram equivalent mass of solute divided by volume of solution in 1 liter. And we know the molecular mass of sodium carbonate is 106 gram. So then we need to find out the equivalent mass. So equivalent mass of sodium carbonate is 106 by 2, that is the basicity. So that is found to be 53 gram. So that means if we dissolve 53 gram of sodium carbonate, so that is the equivalent mass per 1000 ml of water. So volume of solution in 1 liter. So that will give you one normal solution. So this we can write in other way. 1000 ml of one normal solution of sodium carbonate will contain 53 gram. So we can write 1 ml of one normal solution of sodium carbonate is 53 by 1000 gram and 250 ml of n by 10 solution of sodium carbonate will be into 250 divided by 10. So it is found to be 1.325 gram. So we have to take the weight of sodium carbonate as 1.325 gram and we have to dissolve it in 250 ml of water. So we get 0.1 normal sodium carbonate solution. So this is the procedure you need to adopt. So weigh exactly 1.325 gram of sodium carbonate and transfer it to the beaker. Then add approximately 100 ml of water to dissolve it. Then transfer the solution to the 250 ml of volumetric flask. So this is the volumetric flask, you can see, and here is the mark. So up to this mark, so it is 250 ml. So here it is shown 1000 ml. So the volumetric flask 250 ml is also available. Then transfer the solution to the 250 ml volumetric flask. Then the beaker was repeatedly washed 2 to 3 times with small volume of water and transfer that to the volumetric flask. And lastly, the make of the volume of a volumetric flask by adding water drop-wise manner so that the lower meniscus of liquid exactly matches the mark in the volumetric flask. So you can see the mark here. So the lower meniscus of liquid should exactly match with this mark. So thus the solution is 0.1 normal sodium carbonate and volume is 250 ml. And this is the weighing machine. So you have to take exactly 1.325 gram of sodium carbonate. So in conclusion, the solution was prepared was 0.1 normal of sodium carbonate and the volume is 250 ml. So experiment number 2, let's prepare 250 ml of a 0.1 m that is molarity of a sodium carbonate. So what are the chemicals required? Na2CO3, sodium carbonate and distilled water. So as we know, the theory is molarity is capital M, that is number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. So molarity capital M is defined as the number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. So let's talk about the calculation. So we know molarity, that is number of moles of solute divided by volume of a solution in liter. So molecular mass, or you can say the molar mass here. So the molar mass of sodium carbonate is 106 gram per mole. So that means 1 mole of sodium carbonate is 106 gram. So that means if you dissolve 106 gram of sodium carbonate in 1000 ml of water, you will get 1 molar solution. So this we can write as 1000 ml of 1 molar 1 m solution of sodium carbonate is equal to 106 gram. So 1 ml of 1 m solution of sodium carbonate equal to 106 by 1000 gram, and 250 ml of m by 10, that is 0.1 m solution of sodium carbonate will be, so this into 250 into 1 by 10. So that is found to be 2.65 gram. So that means you have to take exactly 2.65 gram of sodium carbonate and dissolve it in 250 ml of water to get 0.1 m solution. So this is the procedure you need to adopt. So exactly way by using this digital balance, 2.65 gram of sodium carbonate and transfer it to the beaker. Then add approximately 100 ml of water to dissolve it. Then transfer the solution to the 250 ml volumetric flask. So you can see the picture of here the volumetric flask. And the beaker was repeatedly washed 2 to 3 times with small volume of water and transfer that solution to the volumetric flask. And lastly, make up the volume of volumetric flask by adding water dropwise manner so that the lower meniscus of liquid exactly matches the mark in the volumetric flask. So here you can see the mark up to this mark. Here it is 1000 ml. So you can have a 250 ml volumetric flask. So there will be a mark like this, and the lower meniscus should touch this mark. So up to when it touches, it becomes 250 ml. So finally, the solution is 0.1 m sodium carbonate solution whose volume is 250 ml. So in conclusion, the solution was prepared of 0.1 m sodium carbonate of 250 ml. So please subscribe to our channel Chemistry Live UGPG, and this is also available in the website www.chemistryliveugpg.com. For class 11th and 12th, this is the channel Foundation Chemistry AV. This is a simple step towards e-learning, making life better. Thank you all for learning.